Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming for the first time, you are welcome. Today I'm going to share with you plantain chips recipe. If you are interested, just relax, sit back and let's dive straight into the video. For this recipe, we are going to be making use of both the unripe plantain and the ripe plantains. Some people prefer the unripe plantains to the ripe one, while some prefer the other one to the other one. I'm going to show you guys how you can make plantain chips with either of them. So the first thing is to wash and peel the skin off your plantains. Sometimes it's difficult to peel the skin off unripe plantains. If you experience such difficulty, you may just decide to use your knife and peel off the skins. After that, just set it aside. Go ahead and peel the skin off from the ripe ones, which is way much easier to do. Then the next thing is to slice the plantains thinly. Okay, you need it to be thin so that it can fry well and be crunchy. So I used my vegetable peeler to do this. I don't know, you may use anything you can find around you that can give you just a thin slice, or you may even use your knife, but you just have to be extra careful so that you can get a very thin slice. Then for the ripe plantains, it is easier to just cut it into circles because of the texture. You can't slice them with the vegetable peeler. So I just decided to use my knife and just cut it thinly into circle shapes. Now transfer to a plate and sprinkle some salt. You may also decide to add any other seasoning like pepper or garlic salt, or just anything at all that you would want to add to it. Just sprinkle some, mix it together, and it's ready for frying. Now add some oil into your frying pot. When the oil heats up, transfer the sliced plantains and just fry. While frying, make sure you don't overcrowd the oil. Then stir at intervals until it becomes very crunchy and golden brown enough to your choice. Then transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. The paper towel will help to absorb excess oil from the chips. Now go ahead and fry the ripe ones and just make sure you stir it occasionally to prevent them from burning, okay? This is very good for snacks. You can just fry this and keep in your kitchen to serve to guests, especially during this Christmas period. It is so good. It is a good snack. It's so crunchy and it tastes so good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.